today's video is about how to create your own capsule closet and stop wasting money on clothes that you never wear. If you've never really defined your style before, what usually tends to happen is you go into a store, you look around, you have more or less an idea of how much money you want to spend, you see something cute, then you buy it. And then one day you open your closet and you see 100 items of clothing and you just feel like you have nothing to wear. So today we're going to explore the possibility of opening your closet, having maybe not 100 but 50 items of clothing and feeling like you have something to wear. Okay, but what is a capsule closet? A capsule closet is a limited collection of clothes that match well together and that you can use to create multiple outfits for multiple occasions. Usually a capsule closet is made of separate pieces, so bottoms and tops, and every person's closet will vary. You obviously will need some seasonal pieces, so in the summer you're not wearing a fur coat. So for some people, having a capsule closet may not mean that they have the same wardrobe or the same set of outfits for the whole year, but they have maybe a capsule closet for the winter, one for the summer. It is a personal choice and there is no rule. You can be as restrictive as you want and you can try and be as minimalist as you want. But today I really just want you to stop spending money on clothes that you don't wear and that just sit in your closet waiting for that one special occasion, maybe still with a tag on. It's just money hanging in your closet that you could use for tiramisu or a cheesecake. I don't know. If you want to create it out of just 20 pieces of clothing, then just do it. The important part is that you have a collection of clothes that go well together and that save you time in the morning because you already know what they match to. And so you avoid having clothing in your closet that just doesn't match anything and therefore you don't wear it. And once you go into this mindset, it's easy for you to justify buying a better quality piece of clothing because you're going to just wear it over and over and over rather than buying something cheap because you're just going to wear it once or twice and then throw it away. For that reason, it's better for the environment and it's also very good for your wallet. So step one, we're going to go onto Pinterest and we're going to create a board that we're going to fill in with photos of outfits that you feel clearly describe your style or the style that you aspire to have in your wardrobe. Avoid picking photos that you just really like that top or you just really like those pants. Look at it as a whole, and if you see a photo that you just think, oh wow, this is the style I want, then pick that photo and put it in that board. So once you've saved 50, 100 pictures to that board, we're going to start nitpicking it. You're going to want to have a look at the board as a whole and start seeing patterns. So if you see that you've saved a lot of outfits that include jeans, then just note down that your style includes having one or more pair of jeans. If you've saved a lot of white coats, then you probably need a white coat. And not just clothes, but also accessories. So if you spot that you've saved a lot of outfits that include a black watch, it's a good thing to note that if in the future you buy a watch, then you should maybe look into buying a black watch because that will match your style rather than, for example, looking at all the watches that are on display at the store and picking the prettier one. The third step is to download an outfit management app. The app I used at the time to do this for myself is an app called My Closet. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, it's not the most brilliant app. It crashes a lot, but it does the job. So basically what you do is you have the option to look for pieces of clothing that are loaded onto the app. You don't have to exactly search for the brand and model of the clothing piece that you want to look for, but you can just search black silk dress or denim skirt and you find one that looks more or less like the one you want to add to your wardrobe, and then you start saving those. So you want to add to the app the pieces of clothing that you've identified from your Pinterest board because those are the ones that you'll need to build the wardrobe of your dreams, the wardrobe that screams you, your style, your elegance, your vibe. I'll try to find more apps like this and I'll put them on the screen for you to see. If you already have one that you like, then keep using that one. But the most important part is that you end up with sort of a catalog of clothing that you can have in your wardrobe, and then we can start playing with those and start building outfits in the app. So for that, you can use the pictures that you saved to the Pinterest board, take ideas from there to build the outfits that you aspire to be able to create once you have those pieces of clothing. And bear in mind, these might be pieces of clothing that you already have. So imagine that you've saved a lot of outfits that include black boots and you have a pair of black boots, then great, just keep them, because now you know that that's a piece that you really want to keep wearing, that will help you build your own style. And the final step will be to have a closet clean out. So it's safe to assume that any clothes that you own that are not in the collection that you've just built, then they don't really match your style and you're okay to get rid of them. You don't need to throw them away, you can donate them, sell them, or give them to friends. And then also change your shopping habits. So when you go shopping, when you look at something that you feel like it's cute, you could wear that to a party. Pull out your phone and check your outfit management app. Is it something that fits your style? Is it something that's on there? If it's not on there, you probably don't need it. But I'm not saying you can't have trendy pieces in your closet. Actually, once you build your closet to have your staples, your basic style pieces, it's fine if every year you surrender to 1 or 2 trendy pieces. Just don't let them overturn your closet and undo all that you've done previously. So for example, last year dumpling bags were a big thing, vests were a big trend that came in, so I did indulge in some of those. But even those trendy pieces, I try to think how I can include them in as many outfits as possible. If it's something you can only wear with that one dress that you maybe wear once a year, maybe it's not worth buying. And that is pretty much it. So if you do this, you should be able to find your true style and have a wardrobe that has clothes that fit in it. You will have a much easier time figuring out what to wear in the morning, and you'll start noticing that these pieces that you now own, you'll be wearing them over and over. Even in 3 years, you're going to be wearing them, and you'll feel comfortable wearing these clothes, and you feel like they truly describe you and your style. So give it a try, start saving some money on not buying clothes that you'll never wear again. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you another time. Bye!